What are your work qualifications?
Aha, so I have a plethora of work qualifications. I have worked in the events department during my college time. I've even taken up modeling during that time. So then I have worked as an IT engineer, but I wasn't really interested in IT. So I switched fields and took up a marketing manager job in a leading production house, and I did work there for 2 years. Before I decided to leave that company. I was their marketing head in the fashion department, and thus I had all the fashion brands under my belt, and I used to help them market themselves. After that, I did work at another company wherein I was their art director, and my job was to take care of their shoots. That's it.